Hi, everyone. I'm Ava from Empowerment Vault. Thank you for joining me tonight. If you're here, you're probably looking for clarity, a starting point, a way to earn online from South Africa without feeling lost. Please tell me in the comments, where are you joining from in SA? I know how hard things are right now. Jobs are scarce. Income is unstable. People are exhausted, not because they're unwilling, but because they've been doing everything they can, without support and without success. This session is for anyone rebuilding, anyone starting again, anyone who wants clarity. You don't need qualifications. You don't need experience. You need structure and a clear place to begin. Have you ever tried earning online? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Online work equals services. Clients pay for outcomes. Virtual assistance is beginner-friendly. And here's your advantage. The USD, the Euro, the British Pound, all worth much more than the Rand. South Africa is not alone in this shift. Remote work is growing worldwide. Millions of people are offering services online, and the demand for reliable support keeps increasing. This means South Africans can plug into a global market and earn in stronger currencies while working from home. Let's talk about skills you actually need. Soft skills, communication, reliability, basic admin, organization. Remember, clients don't hire you for perfection. They hire you for clarity, consistency, and reliability. Your mindset matters more than your CV. Think of yourself not as a job seeker, but as a service provider. That shift alone changes how clients see you. Technical skills, email management, simple content tasks, scheduling, document creation, transcription, research. Now, let's talk about what you can offer with zero experience. Inbox management, calendar management, basic data entry, research, following simple instructions, creating documents, uploading content, social media basics. What service do you think you can start with? Most people don't fail because they can't do the work. They fail because everything is thrown at them at once, and nothing is in order. Most beginners make the same mistakes. They try to learn everything at once. They undervalue their time, or they chase hype instead of structure. Avoiding these mistakes is just as important as learning the skills. Let me ask you this. What's one skill you already use at home or in your community that could be offered online? Drop it in the comments. You'll be surprised how many everyday skills translate into online services. This leads into your starter pack. A lot of you have been asking for structure, a clear beginning, a step-by-step path that respects your dignity and removes the confusion about where to start and which steps to follow. That's why I built the VA Starter Pack, specifically for South Africans. Inside you get simple modules, mobile-friendly templates, example portfolios, communication scripts, profile plus pricing guidance, a clear starting point, no hype, no pressure, just direction. This is not a promise of income. Your results depend on clarity, consistency, and your personal situation. For example, one South African started with just inbox management. Within months, they were supporting 3 international clients, not because they had advanced skills, but because they were reliable, clear, and consistent. That's the power of starting small and building steadily. Do you prefer learning via mobile or a laptop? Now, we get to the common questions usually asked. What if I have no experience? The course templates plus mock samples cover that. Can I do this with my phone? Yes, absolutely. How do I avoid scams? Detailed red flags to watch for. 1. Upfront payments. If a job asks you to pay for training, registration, or access before you start, it's not a job, it's a scam. Legitimate employers pay you, not the other way around. 2. Unrealistic earnings. Promises like earn 600 Rand per day just by liking videos or make thousands instantly are classic bait. Real VA work pays for tasks and outcomes, not passive clicks. 3. No clear job description. Scammers use vague terms like simple typing work or easy online jobs without explaining responsibilities. If you can't see a clear scope of work, it's a red flag. 4. Pressure tactics. Limited spots left, or act now, or lose the opportunity, is designed to rush you into bad decisions. Genuine clients don't pressure you into instant signing up. 5. Requests for personal data. Be cautious if asked for ID numbers, banking details, or passwords before any contract is signed. Scammers often harvest this data for fraud. 6. Too much communication on WhatsApp. Many scams in South Africa spread through WhatsApp groups with fake job offers. If the employer refuses to use professional email or platforms, be skeptical. How do I get paid? Most clients prefer PayPal because it's the most recognized platform worldwide. Yes, South Africans can use PayPal and withdraw into local bank accounts. Wise is another option. It gives better exchange rates and lower fees. Many freelancers prefer Wise, but not every client uses it by default. The best approach: offer both. PayPal for client convenience, Wise for saving on fees. That way, you're covered, and your clients have a choice. How do I find my first client? Start small. Look at freelancing platforms, community groups, or even referrals from people you already know. The key is to show reliability and clarity in what you offer. Do I need to register a business? Not at the beginning. Many start as freelancers. You can register formally later if you want to expand, or if clients require it. What equipment do I need? A laptop is helpful, but you can begin with a phone for basic tasks. As you grow, you can upgrade your tools. What if my English isn't perfect? Clarity matters more than perfection. Clients value professionalism, reliability, and communication. Simple. Clear English is enough to get started. How much time do I need to commit? VA work is flexible. You can start part-time, evenings, or weekends, and scale up as you gain confidence. Can I balance this with my current job or studies? Yes. Many people begin while still working or studying. The key is to manage your time and set clear boundaries. How do I avoid burnout? Don't try to do everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 services. Build structure and protect your time. Consistency beats chaos. If you're ready for a clear starting point, you can enroll using the link in the description. Everything is easy to follow. I want you to rebuild with clarity, not chaos. You get instant access. You learn at your own pace. If you take one thing from this session, let it be this: you are not behind. You are not late. And you still have options. Before you go, drop one word describing how you feel after the session. God will take care of you. Thank you for being here. I'm Ava from Empowerment Vault. The handle for Empowerment Vault is at empowermentvaultSA. Goodbye.